Good morning, students. Today we will discuss topic 4.4 Explore Your Computer of session 4. There are the several ways to let you navigate around your computer. First is the through start button, second with the help of my computer, and third is the window explorer. First we discuss about the start button. When we open a system, the desktop display the search program file, shut down, run, all program. All program contain the list of all the applications that are installed in your system. You can start program, open document, customize your system, get help, search for the item from the your system. The search box. In this box, you can write any file, name of any file to be searched. To shut down or log off, you click on the shutdown button and all program view all the installed program on your system. Next is the taskbar. Taskbar is a bar that is usually format at the bottom of the screen. When we open a screen, when we click on any program, the system will display. For example, we click on the notepad. The notepad window open on the desktop screen, and the bottom line is known as the at the bottom of screen, the line is known as the taskbar. Second way is the my computer. In my computer icon on your desktop, when we double click on the my computer, the my computer will open like this figure: local disk C, local disk D, local disk E, DVD, read and W, drive F. My computer icon present on your desktop. When we double click on any drive icon, let us example we click on the C drive, then all the folder and the file will display which is included in the C drive. Next topic 4.5 file and folder. File that contain text are often called the document. It is the common storage unit in a computer and all the program and the data are written or stored in a file. Folder. A folder contains the file or subfolder. Folder is also known as the directories. Next topic is 4.5.1 creating folder. How we can create a folder? Step number 1, double click on the my computer. It will show the drive icon. Drive icon means C, D, E, F drive. Double click on the drive icon in which you want to place a new folder, and last step is the click on new folder button on the toolbar. When we click on the new folder button on the toolbar, it create a new folder. Type the name of new folder as you desired, and after typing the name, the system will display a folder that has the same name. Next topic is file and folder. How we can find any file or folder in your system? First, click on the start button. On the start button, when we click on the start button, it will display the menu as we discussed previous, that is search program files, which is used to search file and folder. So in search box on the start menu, type the name of file and folder you want to search. It will immediately show the results. Next topic is the opening view file and folder. How we can open a file and folder? Just step number 1, double click on my computer. Double click on the drive icon that contain the file and folder, and double click on the folder. When we double click on the folder, it will display all the contents of folder or all the contents of file. Next is the rename file and folder. How we can rename a file or folder? Select the file, right click, a shortcut menu will be available. It contains the rename option, and rename option, after we click on the rename option, give the new name to the file and folder. Delete file and folder. Select the file, right click and choose the option delete. When we delete a file, what happened to the deleted file? The file that you delete are put in recycle bin, a holding place for file you no longer need. If we delete file from the recycle bin, then it is permanently removed from the system. We can restore file from the recycle bin. The step of to restore the file: first double click on the recycle bin, select the desired file in the recycle bin and choose the option restore item. It will restore the deleted file. And next is the move or copy a file and folder. Select the file or folder, right click, choose the option cut to move, or choose the option copy to copy. Select the target location, right click and paste. In case of move, the file from the source location is transferred to the target location, but in case of copy, the file from the source location, a duplicate copy is created at the target location. And last topic is the how to shut down a system. Click on start button and then click the shut down button. It will shut down your system. This is the last topic of your session number 4. The session 4 is completed. So let us do the exercise of this. Okay.